this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute card with the polka dot background using the Best Butterfly Sweets and Dots and Spots die. Here is my first card with the Best Butterfly Suite. It consists of this Best Butterflies bundle, and there are all kinds. This is the Build a Butterfly dies, and so you can see all these different pieces help you assemble a butterfly. And so I just went crazy and stamped a whole bunch of different pieces, you know, and I've been sitting here playing and just like matching up pieces because it's really cute and fun. So I have a whole bunch of pieces here. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun matching up some pieces. Oh, here's a whole one that I did here. And then you could do this. I mean, super, super fun. So build a butterfly. And then we have the Fun Flowers Shapes Embellishments. Super cute. And the Butterfly Kisses Designer Series paper. So fun color combination and super cute designs. Okay, so I'm gonna move these off to the side and I'm gonna show you how I created this fun polka dot background. Sorry, I'm just getting my supplies. Okay, so I've got all the pieces right here, and I've got a 4 1/4 by 11 piece of Parakeet Party scored in half, and then a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Fresh Freesia. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a bit of color blending. So I'm just gonna get a scrap piece of paper, and I'm gonna start with, oh no, not a scrap, yeah, that's a scrap piece of paper. And actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna use the grid paper. I need the grid paper because it's going to help me line up the template that I created. So we're gonna go with some of this grid paper right here. And so I'm just gonna tack it down with a little bit of adhesive. And I'm just gonna stick my finger in it to make it less tacky. And so I'm gonna line it up here along those two lines. Whoops, maybe not tacky enough. Okay, then I have created a template with the Dots and Spots dies. I just cut out a piece of cardstock larger than the die, and I'm going to line this up right down and over. So I went down one and over one, and we will start with Parakeet Party. I'm just gonna ink that up, and I'm gonna start off the page, and then I'm just going to rub all the ink into the dots. Super cute, huh? Okay, make sure you've got all the dots as dark as you want them. And then we're gonna do Fresh Freesia. And we're going to move our template over one to the right. And this is gonna offset our dots to create this pattern here. So again, you're just gonna rub all of that Fresh Freesia color into these dots. Okay, and there is our background. Super cute. Okay, I have already stamped and cut out some pieces for my butterflies. So I'm going to piece them together. This die is from the Deckled Rectangles die. This is a group of these like deckled rectangles. And so we'll stamp the sentiment, "You're my bestie," on there. What a fun, fun sentiment. There's just something on the cardstock down here. And then I have already stamped and cut out the butterflies. So we could create a butterfly this way. That would be cute. Or if you wanted to, you could turn it sideways this way and do a butterfly like that. A little misshapen, so I don't think those go together too well. Probably two of the same would be better. So I'm just gonna put some liquid glue, like in the middle of his body here. And I'll let this dry. Okay, now I'm gonna put my next butterfly together, and it'll look like this. How cute is that? And we'll put some glue down on both of these. And I'm gonna put some dimensionals on this piece. Oh, actually I'm gonna put them on the top and the bottom since there's ribbon. All right, so let's go ahead and assemble the card. So I'm just gonna assemble everything askew, just for fun. So we'll make this tilted to the right, and then we will do this one. To tilt to the left. Fun. And then I'm going to use some of this new sparkly Starry Sky in color ribbon. And just tie a bow. Okay. Center it. There's our cute bow. And we'll add on our sentiment. Okay, you're my bestie. And then I've got the butterflies, and I'm just gonna put some mini dimensionals in the middle of these guys because I want the wings to be free. So I'm just gonna gently fold the wings up. And let's see, do you fit better here or maybe down here, I think. And then this one, I think should go up here. Super, super cute. So I'm offering this as a free card kit when you purchase the Best Butterflies bundle. It will come with supplies for these 6 cards. You can also place a $40 order using my current host code, and I would love to send you this kit as well. Just email me and let me know. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial on the Best Butterflies suite. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment to let me know. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.